and welcome to the latest edition of The Exchange, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Douglas Jonas, your host, joined today by Jeff Spiegel. He is the head of the iShares Megatrends international ETFs. As a reminder, today's interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE does not recommend investments or investment strategies. Jeff, let's get right into it.
Awesome.
What are BlackRock's Megatrend investment solutions?
So BlackRock's Megatrends are really our best thinking about the superhighways into the future for investors. We've organized 5 of them: technological breakthroughs, rapid urbanization, demographics, climate change, and emerging global wealth. And we have a range of ETF offerings in active and index space to help investors capture the most exciting themes in these areas.
Now, certainly themes we're hearing a lot about in the news almost every day. What do you feel like are the growth drivers, if you will, behind the themes?
So I really think it's a realization on the part of investors that they're finding traditional sector investing has some challenges when you're looking to capture targeted themes. Traditional sectors can sometimes be too broad, and in particular, they're limited to that one sector. Take IDRV, iDrive, our iShares self-driving and EV ETF. It cuts across 5 sectors to capture that value chain. So the construction of these strategies is really giving investors a new opportunity to capture themes holistically.
Now, of course, BlackRock, you produce a lot of content, and great content for people looking for information should go to the website. But, you know, as we're kind of closing out on 2021, are there key themes for 2022 you're looking at that are really going to drive these trends?
One of the amazing things about working on this platform is our investment institutes' involvement, our active investors, certainly iShares, and bringing all of that together, we have 3 views. One is the rise of automation, which we see paying off in IRBO, our robotics and AI ETF. One is the rise of application software, where we see cybersecurity as a huge opportunity, IHAK, IHAK, our cybersecurity ETF, and then of course, digitization rewired, where we see IDAT, IDAT as a major opportunity, our cloud and 5G ETF.
Now, of course, we're on the floor of the exchange, so we have to talk ETFs. How should an investor watching position their portfolio to take advantage of all this?
We're generally seeing investors move about 10 to 20% of their equity sleeve into these sorts of strategies, but the key is not to just take one bet on one particular theme, but to invest in a diversified set of themes, capturing all 5 of those megatrends to really benefit for the long term.
Now, if you're capturing this live and you're looking for more ETF educational content, you can find it on our website, homeofetfs.com. That's homeofetfs.com, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.